Good day, I'm April Jai. Together with my partner on this topic, we will show you how 5G, mesh network, and open hardware are working together to make this vision a reality. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly connect everything and everyone, delivering information and experience faster and more reliable than ever before. Our topic was the vision of the future network, where 5G, mesh network, and open hardware converge to create a truly transformative digital landscape. Let's start with 5G for a better understanding. 5G, or the fifth generation of wireless technology, is what we call the game changer in the world of communication. Sa madaling salita, ang 5G daw ay new generation wireless technology na parang mas mabilis na internet ito kumpara sa 4G na ginagamit natin ngayon. Here are some important points why 5G is called the next generation wireless communication. The first one is high speed. 5G networks deliver significantly faster data transfer rates, enabling seamless streaming of high-definition video. You can enjoy high-quality video without buffering or interruption. Even when you're on the go, imagine watching a live concert or sport event without any lag. And also lightning fast download, like downloading a large game or movie file, will be a breeze. You can spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your entertainment, and also the real-time application. Other important points of 5G, it is the lower latency. That 5G is drastically reduce the delay between sending and receiving data, crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and real-time gaming. For example, online game. Imagine naglalaro ka ng online game. I-compare natin siya sa 4G na gamit natin ngayon. Na sa 4G, maaaring pansin mo ang paglalalag sa pagitan ng pagpindot mo sa isang button. At ang reaksyon ng character mo is medyo delay. Sa 5G is mas mababa ang latency. Ibig sabihin, halos hindi mo napapansin ang delay. Ang iyong action sa laro ay mas tumutugon at parang real time. And also, 5G has a more connection, wider coverage in new technologies. In overall, 5G is a step forward in wireless communication technology. It will give us faster, more reliable, and wider access to the internet.
My name is Marlo Isolis and I will be discuss the MIS network distributed and adaptive connectivity. Enhanced resilience MIS network office greater resilience against disruptions and outages due to their decentralized nature. Data can be routed through alternative paths ensuring continued network operation even if one device fails. So dito po ma'am, kapag po may isang device na nasira, halimbawa po nasira yung isang device na ang data ay dumadaan pa rin po sa ibang ruta, kaya't tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang operasyon ng network na ito. Scalability, Mesh network can easily expand by adding new device without major infrastructure change, making ideal for large-scale deployment in areas with limited traditional infrastructure. So ito po ma'am ay maaaring lumawak ng walang putol ang mga network ng MIS sa pamamagitan po ng pagdaragdag ng mga bagong device na hindi nangangailangan ng malaking pagbabago. Improve coverage. MIS network covers to area difficult to reach with traditional infrastructure such as remote location or densely populated urban areas.
Open hardware is revolutionizing the way we create and share technology. Instead of keeping design secret, open hardware freely share instruction and design, allowing anyone to build, modify, and improve upon existing technologies. This collaborative approach has profound impacts on innovation, cost, and accessibility. Because of this sharing, increased innovation as many people contributing ideas leads to faster development and better technology, and reduced cost upon design often use readily available parts, making production cheaper, and the less is increased accessibility. Technology becomes available to everyone, regardless of the resources.
The power of convergence. So we have universal connectivity. The combination of 5G speed and capacity with mesh network scalability and resilience create a truly universal network expanding connectivity to even the most remote areas. So halimbawa po dito yung mga nasalanta po ng kalamidad. So sa panahon po ng kalamidad ay maaari pong masira ang tradisyonal na infrastruktura ng komunikasyon. So sa pamamagitan po nito, patuloy po na magbibigay ng connection kahit na may mga bahagi po ng network na nasira. Empowering communities. Open hardware enable the creation of low-cost and customized solutions for communities with limited access to traditional infrastructure. So dito po, sa abot kayang solusyon, ang paggamit po ng open hardware ay maaari pong magpababa ng gastos sa pagtatayo po at pagpapanatili po ng infrastruktura ng komunikasyon. So, ang open hardware po ay tumutukoy sa mga na disenyo na bukas para sa pagpapabago at pagpapaunlad ng kahit sino. So, dito po, ang mga komunidad ay maaari po silang magdisenyo at bumuo po ng mga solusyon at akma sa kanilang mga partikular na pangangailangan. So, halimbawa po dito, maaari po silang bumuo ng isang mesh network na gumagamit po ng lokal na enerhiya tulad po ng solar power. Driving innovation, the open nature of these technologies foster collaboration and innovation leading to the development of new applications and solutions that address real-world challenge. So dito po, mas maraming tao ang maaaring mag-ambag dahil bukas ang teknolohiya, mas maraming individual at organisasyon ang pwede po or maaaring magtulungan para bumuo po ng mga bagong aplikasyon